Hi everybody, this is Ryan and this is week 3 for pre-calculus. Hope you're enjoying the class so far. I've enjoyed reading the posts and scoring your homework and things like that. So I hope you've enjoyed the work you're doing and the interaction you're having with your students. During week 3, there's a few things I want to point out to you, and those things are, when it comes to your discussion posts, overall you're doing a really nice job and I appreciate your hard work. But I do want to point out a couple of things. One is your sources. Make sure that you're using research-based math resources. Things like the dictionaries, encyclopedias, Wikipedia, things like that are really not appropriate as sources to use to support your ideas and points you're making. Secondly is make sure not to use so many direct quotes. It's always best to paraphrase your research and what you're reading and put it in your own words and connect what you're reading to also what you know and what you've been doing and to real life. So again, limit direct quotes, use paraphrasing. And in the announcement, there's a source there to help you with paraphrasing. This week, you're going to work on functions and graphs. And I know you've done some of that before. And I hope you're finding the concepts that you're doing a little bit new, but also somewhat of a review. So hopefully you feel pretty comfortable with the work you're doing so far. One thing I do want to emphasize as we move through this week and also through this course is make sure you're always thinking about how you're going to apply this to real life and how it's useful, because some of you are going to be teachers and things like that. So students are always going to ask you, how do I use this? So the more examples you have of how it's used in real life, the better off you're going to be in doing with your students. So this week you have discussion boards. Make sure you get those done by Wednesday. Make sure you do the follow-ups by Sunday. You have weekly problems. And that's pretty much it. You have some readings. You have some chapters to read out of your Collingwood's pre-calculus book. So make sure you get that done. Again, if you have questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. Well, talk to you later. This is Ryan. Bye.